In this video, we are going to talk about the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, still on matrix algebra. I have a matrix on the board E equal to this. I want to find the determinant of the matrix E. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Each element has a place sign. All right, I just said place sign. So 2 here has a place sign of plus, 3 has a place sign of minus, 4 has a place sign of plus, and so on and so forth. There's what we call minor. Look at it. You see this first element that is here, the first number 2. If I want to obtain the minor of 2, okay, I will close up this entire column of 2. I will close the entire row of 2. 2 is in this column, so I'll close it up. 2 is in this row, I'll close it up. What I'm having now is 5, 6, 8, 9. The minor of this element 2 is the determinant of that 5, 6, 8, 9. 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay? You are going to make use of this concept to find determinants of this matrix. Let's go ahead. 2 has a plus, 3 has a minus, and 4 has a plus. The signs alternate. The first one is always a plus. From there, we'll get the others. I'll take the 2 and the sign associated with it, plus, and I'll multiply it by its minor. See, if I close this up, which is the column of 2, and I close the row of 2, I'm having this, like what I said earlier. So I will now multiply this 2 by 5, 6, 8, 9. This is the determinant. I will have to evaluate it later. The second element here is what? The second number is 3. 3 has a sign of minus. Minus 3. I'll multiply it by its minor. Close up this column of 3. Close this entire column. Close this row. What's left? 1, 6, 7, 9. Right? So the minor is the determinant of 1, 6, 7, 9. Lastly, 4. 4 has a plus. So the minor is this. If I close up this column, I close up this row of 4, close up this column and this row, I'll be having 1, 5, 7, 8. So when I evaluate this, I'll get the determinants of the matrix. This is 2 in bracket, determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Remember that. 5 times 9, 45, minus 8 times 6, which is 48, minus 3, 1 times 9 is 9, minus 7 times 6, that's 42, plus 4, bracket, 1 times 8 is 8, 7 times 5, 35. So we have 2 in bracket, 45 minus 48 is minus 3, minus 3 in bracket, 9 minus 42, that should be minus 33. Yes, minus 33. Plus 4 times 8 minus 35 is minus 27. So we have, and so this is equal to minus 6 plus, this is 99. That's 3 times 3. 4 times 7 is 28. Put on 8, take away 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 2 is 10. Plus times minus is a minus. 99 minus 108 is minus 9. So we have minus 6 plus minus 6 minus 9, and that's minus 15. So that's the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. All right. In this solution, the expansion was along the first row. That is, I use each of these elements here 2, 3, 4, right? So I can also choose to expand down the column or down any row. You get it? In this case, I want to expand down the first column. Okay, we have, this is it. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So if I'm expanding down this column, 2 has a plus, 1 has a minus, 5 has a plus. So I'll take plus 2, all right, and evaluate the minor of the element 2. Close up this column and close up the row. We have 2, 3, 10, 15. 2, 3, 10, 15. 1 has a minus, minus 1. So close up this row, close up this column where 1 is found, and close up the row where 1 is found, which is the middle row. So we have 4, 6, 10, 15. You see it? 4, 6, 10, 15. Those are the elements left. 10, 6, 4, 6, 10, 15. 5 has a plus. So we close up this column and close up the last row where 5 is found. We have 4, 6, 2, 3. So let's evaluate it. This is equal to 2 times 15 is 30. 10 times 3 is 30. Of course, this is 0. 4 times 15 is 60, right? Yes, 60. 10 times 6 is also 60. This is also 0. This is 5. 4 times 3 is 12. Minus 2 times 6 is also 12. And this will give us 0. 0, 0, 0. Everything is 0. So the determinant of this matrix is 0. It is obvious that this matrix is singular because the determinant equals 0. Keep following, subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and to your classmates. I'll see you in the next one.